tonight we have the 2019 open house here at Rowe High School. And what we're offering our students tonight is a chance for them to get a free haircut. Not only are we offering them free haircuts, but we're also giving them an opportunity for our seniors to get their meningitis shots out of the way. So we do have a booth, but we have several informational booths for the parents in regards to some of what they were wanting to see and seeking help from the school in regards to how they can help their child. And then of course the teachers. The teachers here are in the classrooms, they're welcoming the students, showing off their work and their projects.
I think it's important to come open house to support our kids, to see how they're doing and to motivate them to go ahead and finish their education.
So we have Mariachi Oro here, our 5-time state champions. We have our robotics team here. We have our jazz band here. So just trying to make it a festive event for parents.
Well, I think it's important to come out to the open houses. So the reason that I'm here is that I get to meet all my child's teachers and get to personally know them and ask questions of how my child's doing and what's expected of my child.